Good day, sir and ma'am. I am happy to introduce myself. My name is Mary Ann Boral Portia, 42 years old, married, mom of two, one daughter, 17 years old, son, 6 years old. I live here in Quezon City, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. My work experience as a household worker is in Dubai, United Arab Emirates for 15 years. From January 2009 to May 2024. There are 6 members in the family, 5 girls, age 63, 35, 33, 31, and 25. The youngest is a boy, 4 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, laundry, ironing, cleaning the entire house, and taking care of the child, and running errands for my employer. We live in one villa with 5 toilets and 4 bedrooms. My hobbies are listening to music, reading books. My best interest is cooking and baking. That's all about myself. Looking forward to work with you as a household worker. Thank you and have a good day.